It's Santina. Can I pull your foot? Can I pull your toe? Can I pull your finger? Santina's a good boy. Girl, actually. I know, you are a girl. And you're 13 years old and you like Barbie music. Here you go. You want some, Geronimo? Come here. Oh, you're so good. You're a good baby. What a good baby. You want another one? Hey, little teeny bopper. Take your nut. What about Poe? Hi, Poe. You have a messy beak, Poe. You gonna take it like a good bird? There you go. Good baby. Oh, Merlin. Where's my Merlin? Take it like a good boy. There you go. That's my baby. Buttons. You want a nut? Of course you do. That's my Buttons. Hi, Buttons. Who loves you? Who loves you, Buttons? Who loves you? Buttons. Buttons. Who are you? Scarlet. You moved, huh? Who moved Scarlet? Scarlet's in a different spot, huh? Hi, Scarlet. Oh, you're so good. That's my Scarlet. Hi, Norton. You can have a nut, Norton. You want a nut? You can take it like a good bird? Oh, you're so gentle and sweet, Norton. Yay, Norton. Good baby. What about Merlin? Take it gently. Oh, you're so good. I'm getting to you, Maui. I love you, Merlin. I love Merlin. I love you. I love that Merlin. You can have another one. Coming your way, baby. Hi, Spencer. Ooh, it's Spencer. You good bird, Spencer. Here's my boy. Oops, try this one. There you go. Good baby. Oh, Charlie, last time I did this, you bit me, huh? You bit me. I don't trust you anymore. There you go. It's Maui. Hi, Maui. Yay, Maui. Who loves Maui? I know, Johnny. You're getting one. It's Merlin again. It's the benefit of a big cage, huh? Johnny boy. That's for my Johnny. Yay, Johnny. It's Emma. It's Emma. You gonna come here, Emma, Emma? You gonna come here, Emma, Emma? I'm getting to you, Ruffles. Where's my Emma? Where's Emma, Emma? There's my Emma. That's my girl. Yay, Emma. Hello, Ruffles. I'm coming to you, baby. You're a good girl, aren't you, Emma? I'm coming, Ruffles. Hey, Emma. Oh, you're so good. You're such a good girl. What, Johnny? What is it, Johnny? What is it, Johnny? And now it's BJ's turn. Yay, BJ. Good girl. Maui, you want another one? Take it nicely. Oh, you're so good. Mr. Whiny Pants, come over here. All right. Ruffles. Here's my Ruffles. BJ. You ready for me? It's a matter of who finishes their nut first, huh? All right, poor Jackson. Hey, Holly. Hey, Holly. Where's my Ruffles? I want my Ruffles. Come up here.
Hello.
Hello, sweetest. Hi, BJ. Oh, you're so good. Hi, Holly. Or Emma. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Maui. You're welcome. Yay. Oh, here's my little holy terror. Here's my baby bird. Come here, you good bird. Here's my baby. Aw, Merlin. He's gonna mess up your water.